Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Good morning, Bhaskar, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning.
We'll
Good morning.
start the session, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Shall we start now?
Yeah, over to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good morning, all of you, sir. This is Bhaskar from SEC Informatics. Today's session, we are discussing about HTML introduction with Django, interaction with Django. Is it audible, sir, all of you?
Yeah, audible, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, yesterday we discussed about Django in framework introduction completely. What is going on inside, which type of applications we are used inside, and what is the purpose of that applications, how to design development, and everything we have discussed yesterday, right, sir? So,
Yes, sir.
So here, this Django part we are discussing today, one of the pattern, that is a template pattern. So the template pattern using HTML content completely, right, sir? So this HTML content, when we are using this HTML content, so this completely interaction with normal HTML as well as the CSS, cascading style sheets, as well as Bootstrap also, sir. So today we have introduced what is the HTML content, how to create the pages, and what is going on inside, how to interact with the Django, and where we are using that Django content in HTML kind of pages. Let we discuss today, sir. Okay. So before going to that introduction, I want to introduce that yesterday part, what we had done completely. Just we have to check it at a few minutes. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Is the screen is comfortable to seeing the content, sir?
Yes, sir.
I want to increase any font size here. So yesterday we are discussing this matter, sir. Actually, what is web framework and what is Django, history of Django, features of Django, and Django installation, how it is taking place inside the system. So how to verify the Django framework is a system that Django installed or not in systems. So these are all content we had done yesterday, sir. Right? So one by one we have to check it once. If anyone missing the content, so let me discuss after complete this one. We have to move to HTML introduction and HTML technical content, how to write the page, how to create the pages, and where we start, what is the tags we have to use inside. These are all we have to display in this morning. Okay, so this web-based content, every website using HTML content only for visualization purpose, sir. Actually, so today the main content we have discussed about the pattern which we are using inside the Django framework. So view model view template MVT model MVT pattern we have discussed here yesterday. So in this MVT pattern, already we discussed the database content yesterday. That content we are taking next class, and the presentation layer is there. That is views content. That's also after complete this template portion. Then we discuss about that views content also. So today we have to discuss only what is the designing part and visualize part of the Django framework. So that purpose we are using HTML content here actually. So that HTML take place completely your front end visualization part. So here these web-based applications, all web-based applications using this web content taking from HTML only. That's why we are taking place to introduction to HTML and what is the content and everything we have to discuss today, sir. So my colleague is taking the place, the technical part. His name Ravikumar Ella. So he is taking place today. So whatever the content and everything, he's taking place to write the content and explain clearly about the hypertext markup language. Okay, sir. I over to Ravikumar Ella. And here, before going to that, I want to just a small introduction due to HTML. What is HTML like that? This is HTML, which stands for as Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used to create and design web pages. It provides the structure and layout for content on the internet using tags to define elements such as headings, paragraphs, links, images, and more. A different kind of criteria content inside the HTML. So that HTML content clearly given by our colleague Ravi Kumar Ella. Today he's taking the session completely. So if any queries, I'll interact with you and I'll clarify the doubts and everything. Thank you so much, sir. Over to you, Ravi Kumar Ella. Ms. Ravi Kumar Ella, please.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Today we discuss about HTML. Okay. So shall we start, sir?
Yes. I'll stop my screen sharing just a minute, Mr. Ravi Kumar Ella. Yes, you can carry on yourself.
Can you see the screen, sir?
Yes, now you take the screen sharing. Very good.
Okay, sir. Shall we start?
Yes,
Okay.
continue.
Okay. Actually, HTML is generated by Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee in 1993, but officially it was developed in the 1999. What is the HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a stand for a markup language for creating web pages. Here there is a two web pages, like a static web page and dynamic web page. Sir, you know, sir, what is the static web page? What is the dynamic web page? For example, if you open in some YouTube web page or some Facebook web pages, and then the register page and login page, these are only static web pages. After entered in a Facebook, after entered in YouTube, these are a lot of content. These are only dynamic web pages. These are some styles. These are some styles and lot of content and lot of elements, lot of attributes. And where we use the HTML, and like these are only two types of elements, like in a single element and a paired element. What is in a paired element? What is in a single element? Single and paired elements. What is a single element and what is a paired element? Single elements like that, and then a break tag, and also a image tag, and a lot of another paired elements. What is the paired elements? Paired elements are like that in a header tag and body tag. Lot of. First of all, what is the basic of HTML and what is the content of an HTML? Is there some scenario? These are basic introduction of HTML. header tag, and close to the header tag. And also a body tag. Body tag is nothing but to contain a lot of data. Once you enter any data, once you want to upload any data, these are only available in the body tag. And also header tag contains a title tag. Title tag inside in only the header tag. Title tag. What is the title tag? That means title tag is a name of the web pages. Some example title tag is nothing but on Facebook, web page is also okay. Let's start with some small example. HTML is run on a lot of web pages like in a Visual Studio and also in a Notepad and Notepad++. But I'm familiar to in a Visual Studio, so I'll start the Visual Studio. Visual Studio. HTML and then header tag and title tag. Inside of the header tag, there's only title tag. And also body tag. This is the basic scenario. This is the basic structure of HTML. What is the title tag? Title tag is nothing but a heading or some name of the web pages. It is sample web page. Sample web page. But these are only some elements. What is the elements? Elements means H1 tag and H2 tag and H3 tag and H4 tag and H5 and H6. Some lot of tags. These tags are very helpful to size of the body and size of the content. This tags contains H1 to H6. H1 is the bigger to all of remaining tags, and H2 then the H3 is the big of the H3 and H4 and H5. Let's observe this. Observe the screen. Can you able to see? And H2 tag and H3 tag and H4 tag and H5 and another one H1 tag. Observe this. Hello. These are only these are content of the H1, H2 and H3 and H4 and H5 and H6 and also another one is H6. H6. H1 tag is very bigger than all of this, and H2 is bigger than all of this, and not only bigger than H1 tag. And also, and a smaller tag is only H6. Smaller size of the H6 tag. And these are only also in some paragraph tag. What is the paragraph? Paragraph tag is null. Paragraph tag starts with paragraph. Paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is paragraph tag start with the closed bracket and ends with an open bracket and closed bracket.
Good morning, sir. Sorry to interrupt you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
This is Dr. V. Kalimani. As we are going to concentrate only for the Django codings, please go ahead for the Django, not in detail explanation. We are not seeking about the in detail explanation about the HTMLs. Okay, so please go ahead on only the Django.
Ma'am, okay, one thing, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
If you know comment on the Django, first of all, what the HTML and how to implement of HTML and.
Sir, we are all matured. We are having enough knowledge about it, how to write a coding in HTML. I think so. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to interrupt you. So we don't seek that kind of information from the HTML. We are seeking only for the Django part only. Okay.
Okay, Django part one. Okay.
Yes. Sorry, ma'am. Actually, thing is, we know well about HTML, ma'am. Actually, here, but HTML interaction with Django purpose, we are taking as a introduction part. Introduction is taking as a step into high level, right? Simple step into high level. That's why we are taking as a today continuation session. It's taking as a process, the save in that process only. That's why we are taking into basic level to high level, ma'am. Don't mind.
I can understand, sir, but the thing is, we don't want to what kind of the types of tags we have and how to.
Ma'am, this is the sequence process, ma'am. This is sequence process. We are going that only. What is going on inside means we are taking to step introduction means is not a high level, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
That's why we are going that location only, but the process is going on step into one by one. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You know, ma'am. Don't mind, please. We are taking process same as like.
So let's continue this.
Sir Ravi Kumar, you take that the content as a in deep level, not in starting level. Okay. So page creation and all those things, you take that one. It's better, I think. So HTML is all know, but tags and all those they know well. Why? Because what they are teaching in field, right? So that's why we are taking as a high upper level. But how to tag into the Django content inside? You can complete today that session. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay. Stylist tag. Stylist is very helpful to stylist of the web page and stylist to the content, and also a stylist tag inside of the paragraphs and inside of the elements tag, like where the stylist tag can use. This is the scenario. This is red color. Stylist tag is very helpful to and change of our body and change of our content to the very look wise. And also, first of all, HTML is very helpful in Django. Django is web development, like in a front end and back end. Once we create a front end page, also automatically we develop in a back end page. What's the back end? Once we insert in any register page and login page, once we entered in a login and details, user details, and automatically run to the back end page. But definitely we know all about the HTML and CSS, also the JavaScript and also the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is nothing but an HTML CSS framework. Is highly framework. In today levels, lot of companies and lot of users are also using only Bootstrap. So not only HTML and CSS. HTML CSS is basic level, but Bootstrap is a very high level framework. Bootstrap is all the content all the contents of HTML tags and CSS tags, and also the JavaScript, and sometimes JavaScript used in Bootstrap. Okay. A span tag. What is the span tag? Span tag is a very useful stylish tag in inline element. Inline element span tag. The span tag and the paragraph and the span tag almost same, but span tag is used in only inline of the element. Once we once we taken any data, what is this span tag? Span tag is very helpful to inline of the content. Span tag. This is span tag. Span tag is very helpful to inline of the content. Inline of the content means the styles of any data. Styles of any data. And also these are some space tag and a quotation tag and another less than tag and a copy tag and also trait tag and also an italic tag and a bold tag. What is the italic and bold tag? Bold tag is nothing but bold tag. Bold tag. This is a bold tag. And italic tag. Italic tag. This is the change and bold tag and italic tag. And also span and also strong and font tag. Font tag is very helpful to content or to the any data. If you change on a font and a small different sizes and small on the left side of the content and right side of the content, also upper of the content and the lower of the content, and also face tag and size tag. Like an okay. Once you start in the Django, how to implement in the Django project. Autumn. This is the Django project. This is the Django project. This also Django project also contain a HTML elements and CSS elements. These are also HTML elements and also some type of an bootstrap. And how to implement a HTML tag in the Django in Django? That means here. first, if you want to execute on the HTML tag in the Django project, first we install the Django shortcuts, import on the render or redirect page, and also first of all we import the from Django dot http import http transfer http transfer http transfer http transfer sorry these are very HTTP transfer. These are very helpful to content to run the data of HTML tag in the Django project. And also a small example. And also once we implement of the Django project, first of all we know some content of the Python. What is the Python? Python means some class based and function based, and also class based diff. Request pass.
ఏమట్లా మాట్లాడుతున్నావు సరిగ్గా మాట్లాడచ్చు కదా ఒకసారి చేయడానికి చేయలేదు ఎవరైనా అంటారు నేను చేసిన కాలేజీకి పోతున్నా చేశాను
Return render page and request pass, and also in the element tag some h1 element.
ఎప్పటి చేస్తున్నారు మేడం రెడీ కూడా కానివ్వట్లేదండి కాల్స్
Sorry, sir. Sorry to disturb you. Some noises are here. So, organizer, please mute all the participants because unknowingly, they are going to open their mic. So, it disturbance our class. So, organizer, please mute all the participants.
Okay.
Once the session is over, when we are going to raise that question part, that only you can release all the participants. I think it's helpful for the what are they without any disturbance or function. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
నేనే చెప్పినాను అదే కదా
Hello. Please mutable all voice.
నేను వచ్చి హాస్పిటల్ వెళ్ళిపోతాను నా సరే అన్నాడు
Or understand my voice, man?
Yes, sir, but still the noise is coming out. So, organizers, please mute all the participants.
Okay, please all of you mute in the mute. Please go in the mute. Sir.
ఉన్నగా దువ్వినాను
Hello. Please go in the mute. There is some noise here.
ఇటు సన్ఫ్లవర్ లాగా వస్తుంది
To everybody go in and mute.
ఏదో స్నానం చేసి స్నానం చేసి
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, it's audible. Please
But some
ask
others
the
are not.
administrators to mute all because they are the administrator. They are able to mute all the participants. Please.
Okay.
ఇక్కడ ఎవరు సాగుపడుతుంది వాడిని చెప్పనీయకుండా
Here is it's not possible to mute in all of the.
అవునా
I think the authority of
Sir, I
only
hope you're not the administrator. I think the organizers as the administrator.
Okay.
Please ask the administrators
Okay.
or the organizers to mute
I
all.
will inform. No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Please keep in mute all of you, ma'am. There's a small disturbance is going on to continue the class. Please take and mute all the participates in this session, please.
మేడం రారా కదా హలో మేడం
Continue. Some Uma Mahesh is doing and some noise is rising. So please keep in mute, Uma Mahesh, sir. Uma Maheshwari, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue the stop.
Yes, continue, sir.
Okay. These are first. These are import once you import the HTTP transfer. First of all, some create some small function. In Python, these are web class based and view based and function based class. This is a def means this is a function name and a class is the function and request. Once we pass the request and also we pass in any template tag. Template means in H1 or H2 and some any of the template. Here is in a small project here. And close it to the template tag. Okay. Once you enter any of the template and any of the element tag, we run on the server based. Where we consider the server based on, that means okay. First of all we take the new content like some small project, some new project, right? And okay. Django admin, start project. Here there's some project name, new data. Sorry, there is a small mistake. I think this is a system problem. Okay. Okay. I will discuss about after the latter what is the Django and how to implement in the Django. First of all, we learn all of the content of HTML tags and CSS tags. Okay. First of all, we'll discuss about all the HTML and CSS tags. Okay. Run on from the first HTML, header tag, and title tag. And title tag means H4. Sample program. Sample program. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. And a sample program and title tag. And after the title tag, and I had body tag. What is the body tag? Body tag is contains a lot of data, and like an elements and attributes. Body tag. Is some small. Also, I saw before we shared that in the span tag and a paragraph tag, and also H1 and H2 and H3 and H4 tag, and also a meta tag. Meta tag, where the meta tag is used in, meta tag is also used in a header tag. Meta tag. What is the meta tag? And meta tag is very helpful to use in it. Once we develop in the web page, also in the screen, like some monitors, some mobile screens, and also, and meta tag is very meta tag is make us to helpful in the content of the large screens and the small screens. And so we develop in the small screens. Meta tag is very helpful, and also a large screen. That means it's very near to the size of what is the size and what is the size of a screen and what is the mobile screen and also large screens. And meta tag and very helpful in the but meta tag can inside on the only header tag, and header tag is also a lot of contents and elements like in the title tag and also like in a title tag and a meta tag and also a style tag. Style tag is also used in the inside of the header tag. Style tag is very helpful, and also before that style tag is very helpful to content of will look like look in a superb and look like awesome. Some color inside of some colors and padding and margins. So all of these used by the own style tag and the body and the body. Some content is. Okay. Some content. Okay. Here is some data. Paragraph. Also, before we start, the span tag. Span tag is nothing but inside of the style tag, and also HTML span tag.
Incoming voice call from Cuba, 1.
Span tag. And HTML. And CSS. Span tag. apply some colors and style tag. These are color blue. Okay, and also background color or orange. Yeah. See this? And HTML CSS in the color is in a blue and background color is a orange. And also some styles tag like in a size tag and font tag. A size tag. And also some width, and also using the width tag. Okay. Sorry. Also width tag. And also width tag also using the same content here. I think we know about the table tag and rows and columns. What is the table tag? These are contents of a rows and columns. These are mainly used in the some details of the student and details of the school data and like that. Table tag. First of all, okay. I will discuss some table tag. Table tag. Table tag. This means table tag contains table data and table header and table columns and rows, like in some table header. That means college name, table tag. College name and student name. College name and student name. A small break there. Okay. After that, the DH mentioned a table header. After that, row tag, table row. Once you enter the table row, that contains some table data. Like some borders, like some border equal to 2 pixel, which allows like sorry border 1 pixel. What is it pixel? Now say border color. Border colors and red. With cell spacing. Cell spacing. Okay. Table, ABCD table data introduction. That's another table, another no table data. No? Marshall. Okay. Here is the table tag. Here is the table data. And a college name and student name. These are a header of the part in the table data. And also ABCD and DFG in the college names and the student names in Hanmant Kumar and Sukumar Shah. And also with the table data we contain a lot of data, and also these are some colors and some padding and some space and space between and space means these are some hmm, different spaces like in a border space and upper space and like in a border space and cell space. Cell space is nothing but to evaluate the space of the content all of around the data set and table data and column space and rows. Okay, once we once we wait. Wait, okay. With 6. Okay. What is the work of the width? Width is nothing but size of the content. How much of content do we want, and how much of the content we observe this in the data, and the alignment and the virtual and vertical alignment and also a horizontal alignment, and some like in height and width and span. Also div tag. What is div tag and a section tag? Div and section tag. These two tags are almost same. Div tag and section tag. These two tags are almost same. Div tag is nothing but it's a content of a lot of data in a paragraph wise, and paragraph section tag is nothing but it contain two and more than of two paragraphs and more than of three paragraphs. Div tag is in which condition where div tag is used means that div tag is very high. Div tag is used in navigation bar, unlike some header bars. Header bar. This content is very included in the div tag. Header tag, header tag and the section tag. Okay, header tag. Oh, sorry. We entered the table, not in the table type, without of the table type. Like break tag is nothing but into distance of the content. Very helpful too, and different pages page by page. long distance and data. Okay. On charge. Two takes are almost divided into sections. Okay. I think it's very understand. I think it's very understand by the some registration page. Registration page. Once we create the registration page, after that we are very easy to understand what the HTML, how to implement of the CSS. Okay, let's start the some registration page. HTML and also add that tag. That inside the header tag and title tag. Title tag. Register page. Register page. After the header tag and then body tag. Body tag. Okay. Now first register page. Some small register page. Username, input. Okay. Wait a second. Wait a second. Body tag. Okay, body tag. Okay. Input type. Input type equal to test. These are element input and title, header and body. These are all the element, but a type and a style and a color and background. These are attributes of this element. Okay, one small break tag. I think it's very helpful to clear all of this matter. Name, some name, user, and ID. ID equal to user. Also some user. Okay. Input close it input tag. The input tag is a single statement, not in a paid tag. Input tag, image tag, and a bold tag and break tag. These are also in a single tags, but not a paid tag. And username, username, email, email. Wait. Break tag. Email and input. HTML page is a case, not a case sensitive. Not a case sensitive. We implement in the small letters and also in capital letters. It's not a problem. input type, email means my email, name, email, ID, email, object type, okay, and also phone number, into equal to number, like a test. Number, ID, number, right there. Password, input, type, password, name equal password. So now, not an answer. ID, password, okay, some small correct statement. Also, once we enter the username, email, and phone number and password, and some address. Also, some address. This just failed. And equal to some array equal some address. Okay, next check out the small data. Then equal to background color. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Background color. Background color. Some of it. Okay. Near the dash. Okay. I think it is the best. Small break there. Another break there. Another small break there. Now this JSON placeholder. 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 That means placeholder. Nothing but shown what they enter. Placeholder. Placeholder means user name. Placeholder. User email. User email. Placeholder. User phone number. User phone number. Placeholder. Enter password. Enter password. Placeholder. Enter address. Enter address field. And password and confirm password. Like another field, confirm password. Import type.
Hello, sir. Sorry to disturb you.
Okay.
If there is any alignment tag which is used to in this particular page designing, sir, because normally in HTML we are using some alignment tag. So that kind of tag we can use it for the proper alignment for the title and also for the text box, isn't it, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. It's normal HTML tags, isn't it, sir? Am I correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Right, password. name, also some ID. Page holder. Confirm password. Confirm password. And also some select. One second. Okay. So label tag. Label tag. Some course data. Some select option value. Some course. Option value. Someone. BCA. BCA and option BBA option value 3 BBA like BTech option value some fourth value BTech MBA also some courses option value 5 MCA option value 6 okay. Sorry. These are some fields. Okay, one. No. These are some fields courses like BCA, BBA, MTech, MBA, MCA, MTech. These are some course fields. Okay, one title like register page and also some small adding. Small adding. H to tab. Register page. Register page like center. Center alignment. Okay. Also style some apply some styles. Some color. Red is heavy color. Okay, it's going good. Okay. Okay, so please. Italic. So apply some italic and bold tag. And bold tag. Bold tag. Address bar, confirm password, phone number, and also phone. Also some username password. Okay, 1 minute. Some like this, enter some gender. 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 Input. Input type radio. May. Okay. Sorry. Courses, these are courses. Gender. Gender male. Info. Third. Radio. Name female. Sorry. Okay, these are radio buttons like selected male or female. Any of it. Also some like a submit button. Submit button. Button type. Button type submit. Submit also register. Not a submit, register. Want on a register. Clear. Okay. SP. Okay, here is a small register page like a username and email and phone number and password and confirm password and address and course. And these are courses BCA, BBA and BTech, MBA, MC, MTech, and also gender male or female and register or not register. Button type submit also type. And type button. A small some styles apply. Data where the data align center Just align center. Okay. Here is the body. This is the register page. Like some field. These are some fields: username and email and phone number and password, confirm password, address and code, gender. These are male or female. These are like in a heading. Like the heading is the heading only right now in the only body text. All the fields are contained only middle of the body, and like align test in the middle of the body, and also some if you okay some small example. Okay. Hmm. Test transfer not okay. That's not a test transfer. Like some border. Once you apply border, it's whether upload or not. Border to pixel. They not apply. Okay, sorry. Styles with like border also background. Internet background. Okay. Change background image, background size, and background linear gradient. So, left to orange. Left. Small changes colors. Okay. Also a color change. Okay, these are super. Later font size, some like in font size, title, and also some font size. Font size 3 pixel. That's 3 pixel. These are not here. Like in 25 pixel. Okay. Heavy. 18 pixel. Okay. Looks super. Okay. This is the register press. Can you hear my voice? Am I audible, man? Okay. It's okay. This is the register press. This is some fields like username, email, and phone number, and confirm password, and password address, and courses, and a gender. These are only static file. It's not any dynamic file. It's only static file, not any dynamic file. Static file is nothing but only content of the web page. It's not only added in any database. We only content to the right and enter to the any details. It's only temporary. You look at only temporary method. So down here some register and clear. Once you apply all the fields details, after that you enter the only register. Once you not only want to any details, otherwise you clear the data. You clear all of the data. Once submit. Also some another fields. And also input tag in lot of attributes. This means type. Okay. Here is some phone number. Phone number, the one to enter some maximum characters. I think phone numbers only have a 12 numbers. 12 numbers or 12 number. 12 numbers means is nothing but is adding some 9 1 plus. Adding on with 9 1 plus, these are only 12 numbers, and maximum we create some maximum length. Maximum length. Maximum length only 15 10 characters. Let's see, username and maximum length. Maximum length only 15 characters. Here is a maximum length 15 characters. And phone number, password. It is a maximum length. Some password like 15 characters. And confirm password also 15 characters. Address. This is a very large data, so maximum length This is some 50 character, 50 or 100 characters. Not a problem. Okay. Okay, here is some class. Once more, wait. Here is some body style stuff. Okay, style stuff. Also some class. And also type in some class. Wait. Not about the it's linear. Okay, this is right here. To left, violet. Right. Violet, not violet, violet. To left, violet. Violet and indigo and indigo. Wait. What is the problem here? Indigo. Another color, blue. And a blue and also a green and also yellow and also orange. Bad. These are rainbow colors. Yes. And also the rainbow colors. Okay. And some another one. Napkin. Napkin background. Napkin background clip. Okay, like it test. Napkin background clip test. Color transparent. The indigo colors. Some styles apply. They are looking not good. Half left to bottom. Touch this. It's not a good. Bottom left. It's a good. We cancel all of this. It's not working here. I think it's I think it's not good. I think it's better. What's the here? It is a better choice. Okay. Some colors are adding unnecessarily. Wait. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Some blue, orange. And registration page. Okay. One add some image. Give it better color. Some image add. Adding on some image. Some blue tag. Some download from the Google. Copy link address. Copy link address. Image search. Okay. University. I think it's not coming. It's not coming. Okay, some another tag from a folder. Some education. Some god photo. Okay. Not JPEG. Not JPEG. It's not coming. No. I think it's not working now. Okay. It's not a problem. Let's see. I will cut that. Okay. Let's development. Forget this. Forget black. Title some different situation reference of the phrase. It's not content. Window. HTML. These are okay. Okay, let's check some Django. These are a Django project. Okay, once adding some HTML blog page are okay. These are a blog page. This is my project. Some small HTML page. Like an HTML tag language is nothing but some English language, Britain or America, US is anything of that. But header tag and meta tag is inside only header tag. Okay. First of before we said that meta content is nothing width of the device. Its initial scale is 1.0. Name is a viewport and look some screen width. And a meta tag and link is link reference and edge reference. Edge reference means once we click on the page, once we source from the located to the another page, we directly convert to the another page. Link reference.
Sorry for the interrupt you, Mr. Ravi. Mrutyunjaya sir. Mrutyunjaya sir.
Hello.
Sir, this is Bhaskar. So this is lunchtime, right, sir? That time duration.
Yes, sir. If it is just we go for the lunch.
After lunch, we can take this session. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, all of you. After lunch, we will continue our session. Thank you so much for all sirs and madams. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.